People don't get rich because they start too late. Not because they aren't smart, not because they don't earn enough, but because they underestimate the power of small habits in their 20s. If you change just 7 simple money habits, you won't need to hope for wealth in your 30s. You'll create it in your 20s. Let's break them down, simply explained. The easiest way to become rich is to make saving automatic. Every time money enters your account, salary, side income, anything, move 20% instantly to a separate savings or investment account. When you do it first, you save. When you do it last, you never save. This habit forces you to live below your means and builds wealth without needing discipline every month. Even small amounts grow, and this single habit can make you a millionaire over time because consistency beats income. Think about it this way. If you're waiting until the end of the month to see what's left over, there will never be anything left over. Your expenses will always expand to fill whatever space you give them. But when you remove that 20% before you even see it, before you even think about spending it, your brain adjusts. You adapt. You find a way to live on the remaining 80%, and that 20% quietly grows in the background, working for your future while you focus on your present. Being rich isn't about saving money, it's about putting your money to work. In your 20s, time is your greatest advantage. Invest in index funds, ETFs, high-quality stocks, mutual funds, or even simple SIPs. Investing early turns small contributions into large wealth because of compounding. $1 invested in your 20s is worth more than $10 invested in your 40s. Let me say that again because most people miss this. $1 today is worth more than $10 later. Why? Because that dollar has time to multiply, to grow, to compound on itself year after year. While your friends are spending on things that lose value the moment they buy them, you're building a machine that prints money while you sleep. The stock market isn't gambling if you're patient. It's the most proven wealth-building tool in history, and your 20s give you the unfair advantage of decades ahead. You won't get rich by cutting coffee. You get rich by increasing your value. Every rich 20-year-old has one thing in common. They learn at least one skill that pays more than an average job. Video editing, sales, copywriting, coding, data analysis, designing, digital marketing. Instead of only working at your job, work on your skills. Skills compound faster than money. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your salary is capped by your job title, but your income is unlimited when you have a skill people will pay for. A graphic designer making logos on the side can earn more in a weekend than they do in a week at their 9-to-5. A copywriter can charge thousands for a single sales page. A coder can build apps that generate passive income. Your job pays your bills. Your skills build your wealth. Spend 1 hour every day for the next year learning something valuable, and by this time next year, you'll be earning from it. That's not a promise, that's a pattern. You cannot control what you don't measure. Most people don't know where their money goes. They think they have an income problem, but it's actually a management problem. Use simple tracking, a Google Sheet, a notepad, an expense app. Track just 3 things: how much you earn, how much you spend, how much you invest. When you see the numbers, you automatically make better decisions. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, you see where the leaks are. That subscription you forgot about. Those random online purchases. The food delivery that's costing you more than rent. You don't need a fancy budget with 47 categories. You just need awareness. And awareness creates change. Start today. Write down what you spent this week. I guarantee you'll be surprised. And that surprise is the beginning of control. The biggest enemy of wealth isn't low income, it's increasing expenses. In your 20s, you get your first salary, your first raise, maybe your first promotion. And then you start buying things you don't need to impress people who don't care. Lifestyle inflation keeps people broke. Instead, increase income, Keep your lifestyle the same, invest the difference. That's how real wealth is built. Look around you. How many people do you know making great money but still living paycheck to paycheck? They got the raise, then upgraded the car. Got the promotion, then moved to the expensive apartment. Got the bonus, then bought the designer clothes. And now they're trapped. They can't quit, they can't take risks, they can't breathe because their expenses own them. Don't fall into that trap. When you earn more, live like you didn't. Bank the difference, invest the difference. That's the gap where millionaires are made. One source of income is a risk, not a plan. Start developing at least one side income. Freelancing, online business, content creation, selling a skill, investing income, renting or reselling, affiliate marketing. Even an extra $200 to $300 a month in your 20s can snowball into financial freedom in your 30s. The goal isn't to work more, it's to earn smart. Think of income streams like legs on a table. One leg and it falls over. 2 legs, still unstable. But 3, 4, 5 legs, now you've got something solid. Now you've got security. Your job can let you go. The economy can crash. Your industry can change. But if you've got multiple streams, you're protected. You're anti-fragile. And here's the best part. Once you build one side income, the second is easier. The third is even easier because you've learned the skill of creating value outside of a paycheck. And that skill transfers everywhere. Your money habits are shaped by the people around you. If your friends always spend, you will always spend. If your friends talk about growth, skills, and opportunities, you'll naturally move forward. Rich mindsets create rich habits. Poor mindsets create poor habits. Choose your circle as carefully as you choose your investments. Show me your 5 closest friends, and I'll show you your financial future. If they're all broke and comfortable with it, you will be too. If they're all chasing comfort over growth, you'll follow them. But if they're reading, learning, building, investing, pushing themselves, you'll rise with them. This isn't about being fake or cutting people off. It's about being intentional. Spend time with people who inspire you to level up. Join communities where money conversations are normal. Listen to people who've done what you want to do. Your environment isn't everything, but it's close. Most people wait until their 30s to fix their finances, but wealth belongs to those who start early. If you build these 7 habits in your 20s, save first, invest early, learn high-income skills, track your money, avoid lifestyle inflation, build multiple income streams, and choose the right circle, you won't just grow financially, you'll grow into someone who attracts wealth naturally. Your 20s are not for wasting time. They're for building a future your 30-year-old self will thank you for. 10 years from now, you'll either look back and wish you started today, or you'll look back and be grateful that you did. The difference between those 2 futures is the decision you make right now. Not tomorrow, not next month, right now. So start today. Pick one habit, just one. Master it, then add the next. Because wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built daily. And your 20s, they're the foundation. Build it strong. Hit subscribe if you want more videos that teach you the things school never did. Money, psychology, habits, and success. You'll become the most